If you've ever seen a service power steering warning message or noticed the electric power steering (EPS) warning light on your instrument cluster, you might be dealing with a loss of steering angle initialization. This can often happen after a battery replacement or disconnection or any disruption of power. A simple lock-to-lock steering angle initialization procedure can help correct this. By following these easy steps, you can potentially resolve the problem right at home. Start the engine. With the wheels in a straightforward position, turn the steering wheel to the full right lock position with force applied for approximately 5 seconds. Turn the steering wheel to the full left lock position and apply force for approximately 5 seconds. Return the steering wheel to the straightforward position. Turn off the ignition and wait for all lights on the instrument cluster to turn off. Turn the ignition back on. Your steering angle should now be initialized. If the EPS warning message or indicator light persists, please see an authorized dealer for further assistance. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.